family. Hope you had a happy holiday and got some rest. Enjoyed your friends and family. Me and cameraman just went solo. I cooked a ham, broccoli, loaded cauliflower casserole, green bean casserole. Cameraman hated both of those. And macaroni and cheese. And then we finished off the cake. Well, we still have a piece. But we had a good, relaxing holiday, chilled, watched TV, ate, took 2 hours to do that food. So I wasn't in the kitchen all day. I even washed the dishes when I finished cooking. Nice holiday, relaxing. And it was cold, so we were staying warm with the fireplace. So I went after Christmas shopping. So Monday I got up early. I went out and I went to Lowe's, who was having their annual clearance sale. So if you saw my shorts, I pointed out some bigger items that I didn't buy. So take a look at those shorts. It might be something that interests you. Oh, excuse the ash. It's cold. So went to Lowe's, Burlington, Costco, but I ain't showing you that. That's old regular stuff. That was just like a fill in the blank shopping trip. And Walmart. So I can't go to the Walmarts by my house. It's Madhouse is already cleaned out by the time I got there. So I went all the way out of town to Middleburg. Middleburg had a little bit of everything still left. They are still probably going to have decorations when they go down to 75. It was a lot of stuff left in that store. So first I'm going to go through the Lowe's because I am so excited. I found the biggest, best deal. It ain't even Christmas related, but it's a deal. Okay. Lowe's. We on Lowe's, right? Okay, we on Lowe's. Let's see. Because it's a whole pile of stuff here. So, I found this. I go to their clearance section. Regular $8.98 was $2.22. This is antibacterial floor cleaner. And it does work on tile floors according to the picture. So I grabbed that. And I'm looking for something that I threw in this bag and I couldn't see it. I'm going to get it together, y'all. Okay, here it is. For you crafters, I thought this was so cute. These are actually supposed to be little toy men or something like that. Finished wooden peg dolls. They were regular $4.47. They were $1.87. So when I saw this, I saw that they were flat on one end and they have the peg on the top. These would make great legs on a craft project. So you could stain them, put a tray on top, have a cute little tray table, depending on the topper. So that's a good way to repurpose something, make it into something else, thrifting, whatever you do, and use these for legs. So I added these to my craft supplies because we'll do some DIY crafts this year in 2023. That's our new thing too. We're going to add some DIY stuff because I do DIY. And these, I got to lay back. I don't want to have no Super Bowl gate. But these were regular $39 for a 2-pack. So it's 2 in here. And they are the Allen and Roth. I knocked myself in the chin. Allen and Roth. And they're 16 by 16. So they're pretty big. Wall art decorative. What it's called? Decorative parapard. But decorations. Okay. So this is not Christmas. Very cute decor. See it in a lot of homes. Sometimes find it in the thrift store. But I think this cheaper than the thrift store. This is regular $39.99. And so you will believe me. Well, it doesn't have the regular price, but it was $9.97. And I bought two, which made it 19. Two at $9.97. So I got 4 of these for another DIY project coming up this year. So, well, a room redecorate coming this year. So that was Lowe. That's all I got at Lowe. Spent about 25 bucks. Then Burlington was out of bags. So they gave me this big old trash bag here. But first, as I was walking out, I saw this. This is a 2-pack of birthday bags. So we know cameraman's having a birthday. He's a gamer. And this cheaper than the Dollar Tree. 2 bags for $1.99 on clearance. So, level up, game on. So that's for his birthday stuff. And I can put it all in one bag. And I'll fill you in on what I got planned for real, after we do it all. Okay, so candy. This is the time to buy your candy for the next 6 months. You can technically repurpose this candy up to Mother's Day, Easter, some of it. If it's red, Valentine's Day. So get candy. If it's red, anything that's red can be used in a Valentine's Day basket for the kids, things like that. So I got this candy from Burlington, $2.49. And that's the Russell Stover's Hot Cocoa Truffles. So you can put those in the hot cocoa station and drop them in the hot cocoa. Let me see what other candies I got. Candy. I know I got some more. Because I was trying to give one away yesterday and cameraman said no. So this is a tin of Russell Stover's assorted milk and dark chocolates. I take these tins to the Goodwill because I really don't have a way to repurpose them. If you know of ways to repurpose these, share them in the comments below. But this is the actual tin, and it's $2.49. So everything at Burlington was half off. This can't be repurposed for anything, but we eat candy, so we good. And I have one more. Okay, here's the other one. And here's the other candy. It's another Russell Stover's. And this one is caramel and sea salt truffles. And it's wrapped. It was $1.99. But who's to say you can't unwrap, rewrap for Mother's Day? Get rid of the snowflakes. Or Valentine's Day. Rewrap it in red. Okay, this is the cutest tree skirt. And since I know $11 was a lot of money, this was $11.99. I think it was. Yeah, $11.99. I did not want to wait. It's beige and black. I'm thinking about adding a 5th tree to my ensemble next year. So if you want to add a tree, redecorate your tree, anything like that, now's the time to buy the stuff. Make up your mind now. Buy it, discount it. Prices will be going up next year and may have supply chain issues next year, and get it for the 50, 75, 90% off now. Okay? So I got the tree skirt to set the theme, set the tone, but it's in a whole nother room. So I may kind of, finagle the trees around. But I do the same trees, and then I just add to one, or I may change up one, depending on how the wind blows. So this is a crystal BB Christmas tree. It was $4.99. Now, some of this stuff you can chance waiting on. Like it was one for $7.99 I think I had in my cart. And I put that back for now. And I'll wait till day after New Year's and run back up there, see if it's still there. And I'll probably just try to be there when the doors open. But this was $4.99 and it's a cute crystal. And I'm going to keep it wrapped for... Okay, I'm going to go a little fast now. I am on a 30-minute lunch break. I do apologize. but I did get a job, so I'm grateful. So this, it has the red truck. It's a little box, but it's not Christmas. Turn that sapsucker around and show this side. $3.49. Or bring it back out at Christmas. Either or. This Christmas tree bag that stands up and rolls. I have these big humongous bags that can hold 2 or 3 trees. I want to compact that down because I want to get my garage organized and a little more streamlined to where I can just go grab stuff and have more space. So this was $6.98 and it was the last one. I wish they'd have had 2. But what I think I can do with this is put both pencil trees, mine and cameraman's, in one bag. Just distinguish them with a little piece of blue painter's tape. And that way I can get both of them in one bag since they are pencil trees. And those are normally the first 2 trees I put up because they're smaller and easier to deal with. So pull this one, then pull the other one. So, and when do you take down your tree? I wait till January, New Year's to put it down, but some people do it the day, Christmas Day. I'm like, well, what was the purpose? It's the holidays. Go all the way through January, at least New Year's Eve or something. But to each his own. I found this. So this goes in one outlet, but it turns it into 5. And it was only $10. Now this wasn't clearance, but it's something that's much needed in this house. Then I found this. Now this is an anytime gift. You can get this for Valentine's Day and pass it off. It's blue and it has the checkerboard. It comes with a cloth. Look more like a dusting cloth, but many dudes are dusty, so they'll like it. It's for a man, and it has 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and it has 2-in-1. It has like a body wash, same size bottle, body wash in here, and it was $3.99. So we already know who that's for. And this is for a friend who wants to go hunter green. So I, picked this up for her. And it is green. It's like a suede green with gold and says home. And it was $6.99, $7. Oh, you can't say. Let's turn it around for you. $6.99. Okay. So we got that. That is all of the Burlington haul. Then we got the Walmart haul. Okay. So they had everything. Well, I wouldn't say everything. I'm sure all the Dove, Aveeno, and stuff that you get points back on Fetch Reward was gone. I didn't even go down those aisles to look though, so I don't know because I'm good on body wash for the most part. But if you need to stock up, that's a good time. Ask for Walmart cards for Christmas. And then go the day after and stock up on all your body wash for the year. Frugal Fit Mom showed you how to do it. But I already got body wash, so I'm good. This is a magic makeup brushes. But they have a stand. This stand is magnetic. So they look like it's clear and it's magnetic, so they look like they're suspended. So this was $7.50, half of the $14.98. This is Walmart, by the way. Sorry if I didn't say that. I got this wreath hanger that says Mary. Thought that was cute. And it was $2.50 because it was half off of everything. And I had a good cashier. He was paying attention and I was too. They had plenty of these left. Plenty. So this is a massaging memory foam neck pillow. So it's a difference. They have the memory foam and they have the micro bead. These were $5. Great thing to have at your desk at work if you sit a lot. Very good. So I got 3 of those. I got the micro bead one. So if you feel on the inside, it's the micro bead and it's in a more rectangular box. And it was $5. And I got this one because it was a cheetah print. And this is the memory foam, but it's in a cheetah print. And it was $5. So those were good deals to keep in the gift closet. Now this is a good deal for Easter. So you can save these for Easter baskets or Valentine baskets. No, they were not on sale, but they were $5 each. These were $5 each, but Ibotta is giving $2 a piece. So these are battery operated spin brushes. They can go in Valentine's baskets, Easter baskets for the kids, and net $3 each. Very good thing to add to the Easter basket. I got the Mario theme. Then you can get the plain ones. But they had like, I think Coco Melon and all them kind of characters. So based on what your kids like, I would get them a spin brush and throw it in the Easter basket. Then we have this, accessories for the bath. This would go very good in a Valentine's basket. $3. Because it was $5.98, half off $3. So if you do a Valentine's basket for your teen, for your kids, I used to, and I might still do one, just depending on what I have. And this was $5. You can't get this belt cheaper than a Dollar Tree. Because you got 1, 2, 3, 4 brushes, a comb. All that would have been $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So way cheaper at $5. So I have that, and I think that is it for the haul. And also, garden update coming after this frost over. I'm scared because my stuff been covered up the whole time. But I will do a garden update and show you whatever it is, good, bad, and ugly, because I'm sure it's going to be ugly. But I do thank you for watching this video. I hope that you all had a great holiday. And I do hope that you are still prepping and praying and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.